So let's consider the common units of stress. So first we're going to look at what's called pascals and megapascals. So just recall that the formula to calculate stress is that stress is actually the force per unit area, where force is the force obviously in newtons and area is a cross-sectional area in meters squared. So the unit for stress is going to be force in newtons over area in meters squared. So your unit coming out is going to be newtons per meter squared. And rather than using that unit, often we actually take that. It's actually equivalent to the metric unit of what we call a pascal, denoted PA. So often you're going to see the unit for stress given in pascals instead of newton per meter squared. In referencing stress values, it's often either going to be in pascals or you might be using the metric unit of megapascals. So remember that you can go to your conversion factor chart. So if we pull up our conversion factor chart, we do have that given. 1 pascal is equal to 1 newton per meter squared. We can also go to our metric conversions at the bottom here. Pascal would be considered a base unit. Megapascals is up here. So we know that when we do that conversion, in 1 megapascal, we actually have 1,000,000 pascals. So again, we can always reference back to that conversion chart as well to come up with that conversion factor, that 1 megapascal is equal to 1,000,000 pascals. So let's do a couple of just quick conversions to refresh ourselves on that, because we will have to be thinking about putting it into the right unit, appropriate unit, when we actually look at our stress values. So the first example is asking us convert 2,125,500 pascals to megapascals. So we know we have our conversion factor. So 2,125,500 pascals. And we want to convert that to megapascals, so our conversion is actually going to be a division by 1,000,000. Megapascal. So you can either put that into your calculator as division or move the appropriate decimal places. So this is approximately equal to 1.1255 megapascals, or rounding to whatever is appropriate in a question. So I'm going to round it to 2 decimal places, but obviously think about what it's relevant to. So I'm going to round that to 2.13 megapascals. We can also convert the other way. So the next example is asking us to convert 35 megapascals to pascals. So 35 megapascals, we have the same conversion factor. In this case, it's going to end up being a multiply by 1,000,000. So we end up getting 35 million pascals. So you should be at this point comfortable. This was just a review of previous conversion factors that you've done in terms of the metric system.